What's going on? So today we got a video from Officer Outlook. My bad. Okay. And the title of the video is Man Gets Caught Pooping Through Public Bench. When I seen this title, I was like, yo, nah, this sounds insane. Let's get to it.
Hi, how's it going?
Pretty good.
Okay. Reason I'm contacting you is we got a call. Someone said that you were here on the bench, and they thought that you were defecating on the bench.
Oh, no.
Okay.
I'm fine. I am fine.
Okay, what's that pile that's right underneath you?
Dog shit there.
Dog shit there?
Yep.
How'd the dog get under there?
I have no idea, but I found some dog biscuits and stuff too.
Yeah. Tyler, right? You're Tyler Kressel.
I don't want to be interrupting.
You're not in trouble for anything. I just wanted to let you know your passport's at the PD. So if you contact
Which one? Which one, across the river? Or
across the river. If you contact the property people, you can get your passport there. What's your name, sir?
Andrew.
Andrew? What's your last name?
Rumful.
Rumfield?
Rumful.
How do you spell that?
Rumful. R-U-M-P-H-O-L.
Now this is a smart man. He tried to butt in real quick. You know what I'm saying? Hey, that's a smart man. Just pick your stuff up. Listen, this ain't got nothing to do with you, and get on. Yeah, look how smooth he get up out of there.
PD. So if you contact
Which one? Which one, across the river? Or
across the river. If you contact the property people, you can get your passport there. What's your name, sir?
Andrew.
Andrew? What's your last name?
Rumful.
Rumfield?
Smooth criminal. He out of there.
How do you spell that?
Rumful. R-U-M-P-H-O-L. Yeah, I'm fine. I'm defecating.
R-U-M-P-H-O-L?
Yeah.
Andrew, what's your middle
Everybody
initial?
knows me. C.
And birthday?
I show my ID if you want.
That's all right. You staying anywhere these days, or?
Yeah, just doing this, doing that.
You don't have a permanent address?
Not right now.
Do you have a phone number?
Not right now. No, I lost my phone.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. You can type for me.
Yeah, I'm fine. Don't worry about it. It's good.
He was sitting there all morning with no clothes on. Yeah, he just put his or I don't know, looked like pajamas on, maybe an hour ago. Yeah,
Okay.
Yeah, and he had that tan blanket. I sit over there. We do clothing. I'm in the inside. You can't quite see me in there, but yeah.
He didn't have any clothes?
Well, he had
were
a
down?
shirt on. He had a shirt, but he wrapped that blanket around him. But the reason why he happened to stand up. Yeah, I sit in there, watch, and you can see all the way from here down.
Yeah.
And he just put those on. I say no. I don't know what you're here for, but.
Yeah, that's what we're here for.
Oh, all right. All right, that's it.
All right.
Okay.
Thanks.
We're checking and everything, huh?
Well, yeah, we did get the report that's yours. Because that's not an animal. Is there anything on the bench?
No.
You sure?
Yep.
You want to stand up?
Sure. Just a little bit.
Well,
I worked it up.
I see a little bit there on the side.
Yeah.
How'd that get there? Thinking that's yours, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, can't be doing that on the bench.
We're going to get back to the video in just 1 second. But first, I want to tell you that my YouTube mentorship program is now open. That means I'm going to help you grow your YouTube channel from 0 to monetization. That means that you will be able to start earning money on YouTube, whether you want to do this full-time or you want to do it part-time just to have a little side money. Who doesn't like side money? I don't know who. It comes with a course, private access to me to ask me any questions or anything like that you need, and a bunch of different other stuff. Click the link in the description and sign up today. It's only $30. That's $1 a day. Back to the video.
Right?
I know.
All right.
It happens, though.
Well, it can't happen there.
I thought I'd be fine, though.
Yeah,
This is
can do
foul.
that. People want to come down and use the bench and not have to worry about that.
It's alright.
It's not all right though. You can't do that. Ooh, where'd you get the rice?
Yeah, some guy bought it for me.
Oh, that was very nice.
You're not gonna arrest me, are you?
No.
Okay, that's cool.
No, I just get a ticket.
Yeah, 'cause I had cigarettes tonight. I don't want to go to jail, so.
I don't want you to go to jail either.
Yeah, I know, it sucks, man.
Just gotta get
It
you.
happens, man. I'm so sorry.
Well,
I really am.
next time, find somewhere
Just be
else, okay?
careful. Just be careful. I know.
Yep.
I know, buddy. It's cool. I know I should have sat and I should have went inside and went to the bathroom.
Yep.
I know.
Next time, though,
I
right?
should have. I knew it. I should have. They probably let me use the bathroom.
I'll tell you what you already know.
What's that?
No such thing as a routine stop.
That's the truth.
Don't forget it.
Always.
I could have gone to the bar and used the bathroom, huh?
Anywhere else.
Yeah.
Anywhere.
Yeah, I heard you. I'm sorry, man. I wasn't thinking. Yeah,
No.
it sucks. Yeah, I'm gonna say.
So what are we doing here? Because we're just chit chatting or whatever. He admitted to doing it. You can see the evidence. What are we waiting on here? Where's the cop car? Like, are we arresting him? Are we what are we? What, like public exposure? What are we doing here? Like, let's. This shouldn't be dragged on like this.
You don't think?
Yeah.
I have no damn problem. I don't think. I know the fact they get busted on it too.
What's that?
I know these guys go by.
Yeah,
I know
some.
that guy's getting busted for it.
Yeah, it's a busy street. A lot of people walking around.
Yep.
Should we make him try and clean it up? Just tell him to keep going. There. Andrew, here's the deal. Getting a ticket for urination defecation prohibited. You can't be doing that in public, okay? So what I also need, you're getting the ticket. It's gonna be $213.10 fine. April 16th at 1:30 p.m. if you want to contest that. Blue envelope if you want to pay that. What I do need you to do now is get your stuff together and keep moving, okay? Can't have you camping out on a park bench like this. Okay?
Okay.
So why don't you get your shoes on and start collecting your stuff and get moving, okay?
Can I just sit here for a little bit?
So we've already got reports that you've been here all morning long. You clearly haven't been moving along. You can't be camping on city property like this, okay? That's another ticket. You can't just be camping out on a park bench all day long, okay?
We gotta have somebody come in and clean that up too, okay?
Yep. So
Could you move it 2 us away from me?
you can throw away your own garbage, okay? So get your shoes on and collect your stuff and keep on going, okay?
Need a garbage can, Andrew. There was one right over there on the street corner. Right in front of the Reboot Social there.
Had to do that a couple of days. Nobody said nothing about it.
Well, the main problem here is what happened. You know,
Yeah.
pooped on the bench, so you can't stay there.
Right.
Like I said, now we gotta get that cleaned up. So.
Well, that's where they go, a different bench, huh? That cool?
Why don't you go to the day spot? Okay.
Haven House? Is that
The Haven House, yep. Or community tables. Those are places where you can go and hang out rather than doing this on a city park bench where other people come and want to sit and...
I know, but there's a lot of park benches though. That's the whole thing.
But they
Come on, man. You gotta catch the hint. They giving you a chance to get on, man. Get your ticket and get on. It's not like he gonna pay the $200 and something anyway. But still, they rather give him the ticket, you know, just get on. It's as simple as that.
bathrooms.
Yeah, there's bathrooms around.
But regardless, why don't you just move on from here at least?
Yep.
You gotta have somebody come in and clean that up.
Put my shoes on.
Thanks, Andrew.
Yep.
Remember bathroom next time, okay?
I know.
Thank you. Tag team this. It'll be a little bit easier.
Right.
I bet they didn't think they were gonna be cleaning up shit when they signed into work today.
That gets the message across.
I think so.
Come on.
Oh, they ain't cleaning it. They calling somebody else to clean it.
One little mountain here, maybe? Yeah.
All right. You guys would know that means not to sit on that bench, right?
Hopefully he wasn't defecating on it. Looks like it.
God damn. You know, every day is something new. Not only with officers, just people in general, man. Every day is something new. Like, you never know what's gonna happen when you wake up, man. I'm sure them guys did not clock into work today and be like, hey, we're gonna have to remove somebody for shitting in public. Like, what the heck? Oh my goodness. They did a good job though. They did a good job dealing with him, you know, because you know he ain't wrapped too tight. You feel me? So I get them a 3. They did pretty good. 3 out of 5. You know, how well do you think the officers did? Let me know in the comment section. And I'll catch you in the next video.
Watch when I get in the mood. Bow. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.